Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about Nessus. So what is a Nessus tool and how to use this, how to download it, how to install it and how to use this. So what is Nessus? Nessus is a vulnerability scanner. So it's a tool which scans for the vulnerabilities. And what type of vulnerability? Using Nessus you can scan for web applications, you can scan for host, like you can scan for systems and you can scan for networks. So it's a multi-purpose vulnerability scanner. So let us see how to download it and how to install it and how to use this. So if I click on Nessus, if I search Nessus, so Tenable is a company which develops Nessus, which creates Nessus, and you might have noticed that this is a paid tool, so it is not a free tool, but they offer you a free trial version, so you can use a trial version. And yeah, so for free download, you can scan 16 IP addresses, and these are the paid. So free version will have some limited scanning options and limited scanning IPs, but paid versions will have unlimited scanning options and everything. So for now, let's just go for the free version, and as you can see, it is ideal for educators, students, and individuals starting their career in cybersecurity. So yeah, so just click on download, and here it will ask you for the name, last name, and email. So either you can give your real email address or you can choose to give some fake, like temporary email address. So I'm going to give any name, so they don't bother, like you don't have to enter your real name or real email address. You can use any name, any email address. So using these fake emails, you can use this tool for multiple times, but it's up to you whether you want to use it for one time or or whether you want to use it for multiple times. So you can just use different email ID and you can use this tool unlimited times. But I will suggest you, if you have like money, then you can go for the paid option because it will give you more functionalities. So yeah, okay, let's click on register. So when you click on register, it will send you an email, and that email will uh, contain it will contain the key to access the Nessus tool. So yeah, if now I click on register and it is saying you thank you for registering, and here is the page to download the Nessus. So let's visit this page. So in the meantime, if I open my email, as you can see, we got an email from Nessus from Tenable, and if I open this email, so you can see this is the activation code. So this is the activation key. So we can click here and it will open this page. So it doesn't matter if you click here, or if you want, you can click here. So now it is giving us, like, this is the latest version 8.9.0, and for which operating system we want to download. So if you want to download for Red Hat CentOS, or you want to download it for Ubuntu or Fedora and Amazon Linux, FreeBSD, and Windows Server, and if you want to download it for Mac OS, so there is like plenty of options which we can use. So we want to download it for Kali Linux. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to download this 64-bit version, and if your system is 32-bit, you can download this. So Kali Linux is Debian based operating system, so this is .deb. So I'm going to download it. So if I click here, it is giving us license agreement, and I click I agree, and now it is downloading Nessus. So I already have downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it. So you can click OK and it will start downloading. So in this way you can download Nessus, and after download, how to install this and how to use it, we are going to discuss in the next video. So